This is the SC7200 4K smoke detector camera from SpyGadgets.com. This is a completely self-contained hidden security camera. This unit has a downward view camera. When mounted on the ceiling, it will see straight down towards the floor. If mounted on a wall, it will see straight out. The rechargeable battery takes about 10 hours to charge and will last for approximately 16 hours of constant recording. Perfect for use over a cash register, money counting station, or an office safe. Your video is saved to an onboard memory card for later viewing. You can view the video either on a PC or using the included analog output cable to a standard TV. The SC7200 4K from SpyGadgets.com.